In this video, we are going to see the images formed by a convex lens. Here you can see the convex lens. Its first focus on the left hand side f1, second focus on the left hand side 2f1, focus on the right hand side f2, second focus on the right hand side 2f2. You can see the object located at 2f1 in the color of blue and the image being found by it at position 2f2 in the black color. Also you can see the three rays which are following the three rules. Rule 1, which says if the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, then the refracted ray passes through the focus. Rule 2, a ray of light passing through the optical center passes through the optical center undeviated. And rule 3, if the incident ray is passing through the focus, then the refracted ray passes parallel to the principal axis. In all, we are having 6 ray diagrams corresponding to the 6 positions of the object. We will be starting with the third position in our textbook, which is the object is at 2f1 and the image is at 2f2. In this position you can see that the size of the image is exactly same as the size of the object, and the image is real and it is inverted. Okay, now what happens if I take the object from 2f1 to beyond 2f1? If you see carefully, I am moving the object beyond 2f1 and the image is actually moving between f2 and 2f2, and actually it is coming towards f2, and slowly it is diminishing in size, but it is still real and inverted. So this is the second ray diagram, which says when the object is beyond 2f1, the image is between f2 and 2f2. And if I keep on moving the object beyond 2f1 and keep on going towards infinity, then this image will keep on approaching towards f2, and it will become smaller and smaller and smaller, and finally it will become point size. Here I can't take the object to infinity because that is impractical, so I'm taking the object as far away. As you can see, the image is approaching towards the focus f2. Okay, now what if I again bring the object towards 2f1? Now if you see, the reverse process is happening. As the object is moving towards 2f1, the image is moving towards 2f2, and it is keeping on increasing its size, but still it is smaller as compared to the object, because still the object is beyond 2f1 and the image is being found between f2 and 2f2. Let me keep on doing this. The moment the object will arrive at 2f1, the image will be formed exactly at 2f2 and the size would be exactly same. Now let me move the image towards the focus f1. Now if you see, now the object, I was moving the object, now the object is between f1 and 2f1 and the image is being formed beyond 2f2, and as you can see here, the image is real and inverted and it has been magnified as compared to the object. If I keep on doing this, the image will keep on increasing in size and will keep on moving towards infinity. Now as you can see, I am approaching towards the focus f1. The image is going towards infinity. And finally, let's say I have reached the position 2f1. Now what happens is these two rays becomes completely parallel and the image is formed at infinity and it is highly magnified, but still it would be real and inverted. Okay, now moving towards the last position, when the object is between f1 and optical center. Now if you see, when the object is between f1 and optical center, these two rays are actually diverging from each other, so they won't be meeting here, but it seems like that they are coming from this location. It seems it's not real, that's why it is called as a virtual image. And as you can see, the virtual image is being formed at this position. Let me bring it closer. You can see clearly that there is a virtual image which is being formed on the same side of the lens as the object. So this was the third ray diagram. What if I again move it towards the focus? Now the image will be formed at infinity when the object is between f1 and 2f1. The image is beyond 2f2. When the object is at 2f1, the image is at 2f2. When the object is beyond 2f1, the image is between f2 and 2f2. And when the object is at infinity, the image is at focus f2. So this was the complete explanation of ray diagram for you. Thank you.